Hi, this is Bill. This video will help you access your judge's ballot on Score My Pitch. First, go to the Score My Pitch website, scoremypitch.com. Now, log in using your email address as your username and then enter your password. We're now logged into Score My Pitch as a judge. I'm going to scroll down to the event that I want to judge. Let's choose the Score My Pitch demo event, and we'll click on Vote Now. We've now accessed the judge's ballot, and I'm going to scroll down. We see the scoring key. This will tell us what each numeric score represents, 5 being excellent, 1 being poor. Then we'll see a description of the various criteria. You'll see the scorecard, the criteria across the top, and then the definitions just above that. Now we're scrolling down to the scorecard itself, and we can see the team names, and in your event, the actual name should be in this space. We'll see the criteria. These yellow columns dynamically total. While each team is pitching, we suggest that the judges enter their comments in the strengths and recommendations boxes, and then score each criteria during any question and answer period or any brief intermission between pitches. And once they've done with that team, they move on to the next and the next and the next and the next and so on. One of the things that can be a big challenge at pitch events is that judges' scores vary as the event proceeds. And in fact, normally what we see is by about the third pitch, the judges generally get easier. We've built in a score normalization function that helps moderate or even mitigate that occurrence. The way it works is I'm just going to scroll down a little bit down the scorecard, and you'll see I've already put in some scores. So I'm going to go down to the 5th team here, and this could be the 50th team. It doesn't matter. But what's going to happen is as I'm putting in my scores, you'll see the total and the rank are beginning to dynamically calculate and tell me where this 5th pitch or this 5th venture is ranking versus all the other pitches that I've listened to. And what that allows me to do, an accurate relative ranking of where I feel this venture or this idea relates to all the other pitches that I've seen. And yes, you can go back and adjust scores for other ventures or other pitches so that, again, the final ranking represents your view of how everybody did. And then when you're done with entering in all your comments and entering in your scores, you simply hit the finish or vote function. One thing to pay attention to is if you hit finish or vote and you actually haven't completed all the criteria, you're going to get a your ballot is incomplete. Please return to the ballot and select a value for each criteria. So you would simply scroll down and see which criteria have not been scored. It may be that you missed one as you were going through, or maybe in this case, there's still some ventures left to be voted on. All I would have to do is complete these, finish my vote, and I would get a congratulations on your completed ballot message. So again, just make sure that you filled in all the criteria, put in the comments that are relevant, and you're good to go. Thank you, and thank you for using Score My Pitch.